In this period of lockdown, isolation, and social distancing, sometimes we just miss little things that bring us joy, like watching movies with our friends and family, or having moving dates with our loved ones. Now, is there a way that we can watch movie together at the same time, watching the same scene, even though with a person from another place? Yes, there's a solution, and this solution requires you to have Netflix. And now, let's jump into it and let me show you how this can be done. Let me introduce to you Netflix Party. As mentioned here, it's a new way to watch Netflix together. That means even though you're in different location, you're still able to watch Netflix at the same time. And I'm very thankful for those people that actually put this up. And how it works, I'll show you step by step later, but all you have to do is first install the Netflix Party. Then you need to open a video in Netflix. You have to use the Netflix in the browser itself, not in the app. I know Windows have their own app for Netflix, but for this purpose you need to use Google Chrome browser. And anyway, this is a Google Chrome extension, so you need to use this only in Google Chrome. You can use it anywhere else for now. So you can join other video party as well. For example, if you have friends that have Netflix Party, I'll show you how it's going to be done, how the links being transferred, and how you can watch it together. Okay, and as you can see, it's sync Netflix shows in HD. So whatever scene that you're watching, your other partner or your friends that's watching somewhere else will watch the same scene as well. Okay, let's proceed. So you should just install Netflix Party. Go to the Chrome Web Store. It's an extension, a plugin, so you just need to install. As you can see now, I've already installed. So I'm not sure you can see it or not. Here, the NP sign, this is Netflix Party sign, but it is not red color, it's gray color. That means I'm not connected to Netflix for now. If it's connected, it will be red color, exactly like what you see here. So you go to your Netflix account. Yes, you need a Netflix account. Both parties need a Netflix account for this work. Without it, you cannot do that. So Netflix is not expensive, just to ensure it. So all you have to do is just go play. And when you play, you notice the Netflix Party account has turned red, right? So you just wait for the show to load a little bit, so that when they come in, you can just load seamlessly, right? And after that, all you have to do is just click on this. Just click on this Netflix Party button, just click on it. The moment you click on it, you will see here there's the option to create a Netflix party. You can put only I have control, because when you watch same time, the other party can control the pause, the location of the scenes as well. So if you want to put you to have the main control, yes, you put that only I have control. If not, just start the party. And when you start the party, you see this link. All you have to do is just copy this link, this URL, and paste it to give it to your friends or your loved ones, so that you can watch this together at the same time. Let me just pause the show. And the moment you create, you will notice that there's a chat room there. Okay, the only thing that a bit, how to say, a bit irritating is you cannot go full screen. When you go full screen, you still see the chat, but it's fine as long as you're watching together at the same time, and you can even message each other. Hi, I'm Batman. Yes, this is a logo that I put for myself. And there's also, you can customize it as well. You just click on your icon. You can put your nickname. You can choose different kind of icons. Of course, it's limited. Well, it's free, no complaints. Oh no, I want to change back to Batman. Batman. Okay. So all you have to do is just give the link to someone else. So the moment you give the link, then you'll see them being in the chat room, and that means that they are there already. And then all you have to do is just click play and enjoy the movie together, watching it together. Yeah, there's a few ways you can watch this together. Whether through, you can do a video call. When you have a video call, and at the same time you just watch together, so you have reaction both at the same time. Or even if your internet is limited, so you just skip the video, just watch together and just chat, because you'll be watching exactly at the same time, same moment. And this is one way where you can watch Netflix together with your friends at the same time. It can go both ways as well, because for now it's you giving them link, but you can also get the link. Okay, the requirement for this to work is you need to use Google Chrome.
You need to have Netflix account, and you need to install the Netflix Party extension. The moment you have these three, you shouldn't have any problem of running it, watching it together using Chrome, right? When you give the link to them, they are able to come in, they'll be in the party, and they can watch together. Same goes to them. If they have the link, they can pass you the link. You just click on the link, go inside there. For example, let's just get this link, and then you just click on the browser, copy the link. You'll be able to watch the same thing together with your friends, but you need to have a Netflix account. So I hope this is useful for you, helpful for you at this time where things are tough, where we are isolated, but at the same time we still can enjoy these little things that can at least make this social distancing time a bit more bearable. So if you like what I've shared, kindly subscribe to my channel, give a comment, give a like, share. Please subscribe to my channel to support my channel, and see you in my next video. Take care and stay safe.